There's a lot of work that's been done on the ocular surface and dry eye disease in the last few years, and I think that's now becoming the kind of standard of care. People are more aware of how important that is. In the same way, the retina is a really important part of the eye, and understanding how everything works together is absolutely crucial. I think practitioners are more and more used to looking at that whole eye approach and thinking, what are all the steps that we can take to help our patients? So where we're focused is specifically in the retina, but it's part of that whole eye approach that we're able to address and help the clinician to provide the standard of care that they want to for their patients. The role that the retina plays within that whole eye approach is that if you think of the eye as a camera, and patients like the analogy of describing it as a camera, you have the lens and the cornea as your light gathering part of the system, and then the retina really is the film in the camera. So explaining to the patient that it's really important to maintain the health of the retina is a nice way to describe what it is that we're trying to achieve. So using that whole eye approach, yes, you optimize the front of the eye, you make sure that the refraction and the corneal surface, the lens, everything's healthy, but then also make sure that the retina is maintained as well, so that that signal's sent appropriately to the brain and everything works as it's supposed to. Within the industry, we have a responsibility and an addressable need to help our clinician partners to understand those principles, to help them to get the education that they need to address what it is that the patient needs, and to really help them to establish those new standards of care with all the resources that we're able to bring to the table.